Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shelly and I'm back with another video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for the vibes. It's been a long time since I picked up my camera. I cannot even remember what we did last. I think it was me showing you guys everything that I picked up from Walmart for my nieces and nephews and my mom, because my mom was going on a trip. So I'm here at the phone place that I showed you guys several months back. Y'all, my phone isn't working like at all. I can't get my phone to swipe up. Like my phone is, I don't know, I could only use this button. I can't get it to swipe my passcode or nothing. This car is saying 95. When I hop in this car, it was saying 103. So let's just put you guys right here. I only have 5 minutes on this SD card, so I just wanted to introduce the vlog. I do have my backup phone. Hopefully they can just change the screen and give me a new screen, because it wasn't long ago that I got the screen fixed, or I would have to take the chip out of this one and put it into this one. One last thing, y'all, I had a video that I wanted to edit, and I started to edit it. I wanted to upload it for you guys today. Today is what, July 27th. Y'all please pray for me, because so busy and I really need to get these videos up to you guys. So fingers crossed they're gonna be able to fix it. If I'm able to pick you guys up, I'll pick you guys up. Look, my phone, I'm getting notifications on my watch. I'm getting a notification on this phone, but I can't swipe up. Like, I hate this. Like, if it's not one thing, it's the next. Do you guys like my new shades? Y'all don't worry about my hair. I gotta fix my hair. I'm gonna braid my hair. I'll do a video showing you guys how I braid my hair. But I love these so much. Are y'all liking my new shades? I got these from the TikTok shop. These are on Amazon as well, so I'll link both the Amazon link and the TikTok shop link, so you guys can purchase. See y'all in a few. I show them how you did it.
Volume up, click and release.
Hold
volume
on.
down.
Because what's wrong with this thing? All right.
Volume up, click and release. Volume down, click and release. Then hold the power button for 10 seconds and the phone will reboot. See, now it's swiping.
This is why y'all have to come to the pro. Come here and get your stuff done, because less than 2 seconds. I need a screen protector, because the one that I had on here, it's bruised. And what do you have complimentary today?
Did I walk in at the right time?
You sure did. Yeah. He said, are they giving complimentary things? I want some as well. For you, you can get everything.
Yeah.
Both of you. Just grab and go.
That's only in California, LA.
Really? Wow.
Hello, how you doing, guys?
How you doing?
Are you guys from California?
No, we're from Montreal.
Oh, nice. Nice.
So the people that you guys are not treating well, we're the one.
Oh, wow. Let's not go there. But yeah.
You gotta tell him we all not from
I know, right?
You can't talk about that, but you guys
Exactly.
You guys don't vote for him, so you have no choice.
Yeah. We all from different countries.
Exactly. So we're all in the same boat.
Yeah.
Y'all, I'm getting a new screen protector. And just like new.
Here we go.
Thank you.
Anytime, thank you.
See you. Have a nice day. All right.
We just called.
Bye, y'all.
Bye. Good luck.
Thank you. It was so nice. So I'm back in business. Oh, God is so good. God is good. God is good. God is good all the day, all the time. Listen, don't be afraid to ask. So I said, what are you giving me for free? And he gave me the screen protector for free. And I I didn't have to pay for him to check my phone. Listen, a win is a win. That's why I said, listen, I'm a millionaire. Because a lot of people, I feel like people would have paid. But when it comes to me, girl, I walk with the favor of God upon my life. The Lord say ask. The Lord say seek. The Lord say knock. Matthew 7:7. And the doors would be open unto you. Now I'm going home with my money in my pocket. I actually should go to this Publix here to grab a case of water because I don't have no water. Let's go to Publix. And I need to get a new deodorant. But I wanted to get it from Dollar Tree. But I'll get it from Publix. Let's go. Publix is in this same plaza. But I'm going to park closer to the Publix, y'all. It is so hot. So let's go. Did I show y'all my last screen protector? This is what it looked like. Like, my phone fell so much times. Did you guys see the hack? He showed you how to reboot your phone. I didn't know. My battery dying. Let's go. Y'all, I wanted to try a new deodorant, but maybe I'm gonna stick to what I know and get Dove, because Dove doesn't do you any wrong. Let me get this. Y'all, they have some new kombucha. I never seen this one. It's called Mother. I want to try this brand. We're in Publix. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shelly and I'm back with another video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for the vibes. Y'all, I've been missing. We are basically almost the last day in August. Today is the 29th. I do not know when you guys are going to get this vlog. Y'all, I was in a car accident. I need to sit down and have a little chit chat with y'all about it. I've been in so much pain. This hence why my hair look like this, because your girl being down and out. So I did purchase some stuff from Walgreens. Everything came up to $33.22. I got me a olive oil perm. I got me a dandruff shampoo, because if you look inside of my head, like my scalp, horrible, like horrible. Yeah, so I did get me a leave-in conditioner in the brand African Pride. I also got me Shea Moisture hair mask. This is for hydration. It says intensive hydration. I feel like my face needs some hydration as well, so I got this Morning Dew mask. This is a hydrating lotus flower mask. I'm gonna try. I did try this because I purchased it the last time. I really liked it, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and prep my hair and then we're gonna get started. All right, so the perm does come with these. The perm is space and the activator, so I'm gonna pour this in here, then I'll just show you guys me putting it on my hair. Tried charging up my light, but it did not charge up, so excuse the sound in the background. I am in the bathroom, so you guys already know once you turn the light on, you'll hear the vent. So all I'm doing is just mixing this, and I'm gonna mix it well, then I'll come back when I'm putting it on. My camera just doing some dumb stuff, but yeah. Yo, the back of my hair looks so bad. Oh my god. I look like I've been living in a cave. I gotta be delicate with this because I turn around. Alright. So I'm gonna little pot my hair in 4. My hair is so long and it's so thick that I need my hair to eat up this perm. I'm gonna do the front first. Now I'm gonna use this Shea Moisture. Yeah, I know. I should not use my teeth. I should be using scissors. So this is the mask. Ooh, I love this consistency. So I put good much on my hand. I'm gonna leave this in for. Make sure I put it around my edges. My edges is crying for help, especially this side. So I have some more. So I can rub it in right here. Just try to work it throughout my hair. I'm gonna just get a shower cap, put it over my hair, and then I'll come back after I've rinsed it out. Y'all, my titties is out there. Jesus, y'all, I'm sorry. But, y'all, my hair could go up in one. I'll be back here.